You are looking at the Centurn 2-axis flatbed CNC lathe. The Centurn comes standard with full sheet metal enclosure, full sliding door, coolant, work light, auto lube, and is equipped with a Centroid T400 control. The Centroid conversational T400 control makes quick work of everyday operations such as facing, OD and ID cutting, threading, taper turning, contours and radiuses. Simply put, manual lathes just can't compete. With the 6-position automatic turret, the Centroid quickly moves on to a parting tool. If your manual engine lathe has you so frustrated you're thinking of joining anger management classes, then take a look at this Centurn CNC lathe. Quickly cut this part to size. The Centurn 16x40 CNC lathe comes equipped with a 2 1/8" spindle hole, an impressive 7.5 horsepower spindle motor, and a broad range of spindle speeds from 25 to 3,000 RPM. The Centurn CNC lathe comes with many standard features that you'd expect to pay extra for from other builders, such as a 3-speed geared headstock, constant surface speed, a full coolant system, and work light. So whether you're threading, cutting contours, tapers, or any shape, call Industrial Machinery to see how the Centurn lathe will fit into your shop.